Do you want soft, shining and healthy hair that grow strong every day? In this video, I am going to show you guys the amazing benefit of a coconut oil and carrot hot oil treatment for natural hair. You will see the simple treatment can complete transform your hair routine. So stay tuned. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, I cannot take you guys for granted. Let's start the video. Okay guys, today I am preparing special treatment, hot oil treatment for princess hair using infusing oil which contain carrot oil and coconut oil. I used to infuse it. So just stay tuned and watch to the end. So this oil, after putting this one, I'm already have it inside the bottle. If you have some like that, what you need to do, just get the hot water and replace your oil into it. Put the oil into the plastic container or any jam thing you can put inside and put it in on top of the or water to just make it warm small, before make it room temperature before you apply it into your hair. So when they say hot oil treatment, it doesn't mean that you have to make the oil to be too much hot before you apply it, otherwise you can hurt yourself and hurt your daughter, or you yourself you can hurt your hair. So but before using hot oil treatment, also make sure you wash your hair is clean. Don't do hot oil treatment while your hair is dirty. Always make sure to wash your hair thoroughly to make sure your hair is clean before you do before you do your hot oil treatment. You see now, my daughter is trying to provoke me. She's when I'm going to remove the bang, I think I'm the one cause it. Instead of me to make it gentle for her, the what I'm doing, she's trying to do something else. Anyway guys, let's continue. So now I'm removing these things. I'm going to use it because when you wash your hair, it's not good for you to just leave your hair roughly like that, especially when you are someone who are looking for a way. Your hair is already growing. If you are looking for a way to maintain your hair length or to grow your hair length, then always protect your hair during your wash time. When you wash your hair, make sure you just make it twist like this, maybe how many times that I don't know how long your hair it is, you can just make it like that for the hair to get relaxed, so that you also can sleep very well. Don't leave your hair like that and go and sleep. So before you apply the hot oil treatment, first of all, you guys can see I bring my hair tea to spray into princess hair, because I'm going to make the hair is dry. I washed it yesterday but it's dry, so because of the dry, it's not helpful. If you are looking for a result, it's not helpful for me to do what, apply the oil into her scalp with dry scalp or dry hair like that. If you do it that way, you cannot get the benefit that you want. So always get something, even if not head that you are going to make the tea and apply it, then get some water by yourself and do what, and apply the water into your hair. Hydrate your hair first before use your oil. So guys, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to take it gentle, because this thing too, when you are doing it, what you need is your tools, your tools that you are going to use is my fingers. I'm using my finger because I love to place that. I'm trying to avoid combing my daughter hair too much, so I start using comb while I'm washing her hair inside the bathroom, and also when I'm going to make the protective style for her, that's the time that I'm using the comb. So the rest I'm just using my finger to make finger detangle or whatever that I'm going to do. I'm just using my fingers to avoid too much combing. So let's see the carrot, the benefits of carrot. And as I told you people, I use carrot and coconut oil to infuse it, this oil. So carrot oil that I'm going to use to make this treatment to my daughter. Carrot contain vitamin A. It also have antioxidants, help stimulating hair follicles, improving blood circulation into the scalp and encouraging fast, strong hair growth. Carrot oil also helps to prevent hair from breaking. What do you want to get? This is so sweet, seriously. Carrot, please, you can do your research before even use it. You will know what I'm talking about. Let's check and see the coconut, the benefit of coconut, using it in your hair. Coconut oil is packed with fat acid. Okay, it's also penetrating deep into the hair shaft and giving moisture from the inside to the outside. Inside to the outside means from the tip, from the roof to the tip, that is giving the moisture into your hair. It helps to reduce protein loss. If your hair, you have protein, you are using this thing, it will help you to keep the protein into your hair. You will not lose too much protein from your hair when you are using coconut oil. It's also fighting from dandruff and leaving hair soft and hydrating and shining and easy to manage. This is the what I even want to hear, because like, it's very nice when you are using it into your hair. When I'm using it to my hair, I and my daughter, I see a big changes while we are using it. Especially my daughter, because of now people, my main channel is not there, because people, those who are subscribed to us first, they know my daughter hair, where we started, how we started it. They also see everything by themselves. It's not talking too much, but please try this thing. After try it, come back here to tell me how did you feel for using it? For using it as whether you are using it as a hot oil treatment or you are using it for the scalp massage. Use it and come here to tell me how your hair is feeling now. But mind you guys, everything consistency is the key. Don't use something for one day and you are expecting it to work like a magic for you. Those people telling you people use this oil is a magic oil. There's no oil for magic oil. Everything you have to do it for consistency, because the only thing for do something that if you make your farm and you don't put fertilizer on it, definitely you will get something from inside the farm, but you cannot invest, you cannot get it much like when you put fertilizer or when you put effort into it. You can, so when you are saying you want to grow your hair, if you don't put effort into your hair, you cannot grow your hair. Also, you need to have time. If you don't have time for your hair, stop growing. Your hair will never grow. Your hair is going to remain the same length. So guys, you can see my daughter, she's just sitting quiet for me to do. That's the only thing I love this girl. Sometimes, she'll be started shaking her hair, doing something, doesn't want me to put my hand inside, but sometimes also she's just going to mind her business and I'm also doing my work. I love that. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Okay, all these things that I'm just saying, the most important is restoring moisture and to your hair and protecting your hair from dry or damaging hair. Also strengthening your weak ends and reducing dandruff and breaking for your hair. It also helps with detangling your hair easier, making the hair easier to manage. Okay, for using hot oil treatment, it's also improving black and scalp. It's also improving scalp healthy, reducing dandruff and itchiness. If you have itchiness, you are doing hot oil treatment, especially these ingredients is going to help you to lose everything from it. Okay, so also having smooth and shining, it will help you for your hair to get smoothed. My daughter said I shouldn't put my hand into her hair again. Hair to help you to smooth your hair and healthy natural hair look. Okay, so these things are very nice, so please try it and let me know when you try it, how is it go with you. Okay, hot oil treatment, try to use it at least, even if you cannot use it all the time, but in your wash day, make sure if you make your protective style, you open, let's say you keep your hair for 1 month. 1 month out, when you open it, make sure you make all the necessary things. Do the pre-peel before opening it. While you are going to wash your hair, make sure you pre-peel your hair before washing it. After washing your hair the next day, make sure you do your hot oil treatment to protect it. Make sure you put hair treatment. Maybe you make your hair mask to use your hair, and while you are washing it, don't stop using deep conditioner. Because for me, I'm not showing you guys the deep conditioner because I don't want my daughter to be sitting too much. So sometimes, how am I doing my deep treatments or my deep cleanser? Actually, when I wash her hair inside the bathroom, I always apply the my cleanser conditioner into her hair. I will allow her, while she's just inside there, she'll be playing the water small, at least 10 to 15 minutes is okay, so that I'll take her and raise her hair and bring her outside. So that's how I'm doing with her. So that's why you guys are not seeing those pictures, those videos. I mean myself also, I'm someone that, like, there are some things that I'm trying to cut it off. So that one also, that's how I'm also doing. First of all, I always wash my hair first, and after I'll put my deep treatment into my hair and start bathing myself. By the time I'll finish bathing, that time the hair also, at least I'd stay like 10 to 15 minutes, I raise it and come out. So I cut some place it off, for not taking too much on time on my wash day. So please subscribe, like, and share for us. Do you see how we do it? This is the way that we did. First, hydrate your hair, and also try to massage the oil into your scalp. The most important, the places that you have your weak points, let's say your edges or your back. My daughter, we used to have a actually still we have a problem with her edges, her front edges, her front side hair, is not all that quality like a backside. Because when I'm saying, because that place is small, it's just coming down. The edges she wasn't having edges, she was having problem with the edges, but now the edges is coming, so it make the hair is not long up to the ones like middle or the back, but it's okay because so far the edges is coming. That's the most important for me and my daughter. So now, after do your hot oil treatment, what you need to do, you have to cover it this way and do what, leave it at least 1 hour, okay, 40 minutes to 1 hour. Leave it in your hair before go and wash it. When you are going to wash it, when you use water and wash and you feel like there is still what oil, the oil is too much, then you can use your deep treatment, your deep conditioner. Use your deep conditioner in your hair and rinse it again. But I'm not advising you to use shampoo, but if you have the cleanser shampoo, then you can use cleanser shampoo before do what, add your deep treatment or your conditioner and rinse it and come back. If you don't have deep cleanser, you don't have cleanser shampoo, then just use conditioner. Wash your hair with water. If the water oil is too much, add your deep treatment, deep condition. Put your deep condition inside and rinse it out and come out. That is all. And come out and use your leave-in in conditioner inside. So now we finish everything. I'm telling Princess to say bye bye. This girl. I'm putting her down to say bye bye to you people, but she's busy playing. She's saying it, but because of her music, even that's why sometimes I'm muting the thing after I will talk on top of it. If not, we cannot. They will give me copyright, and I don't like it. You guys also will not love to see me. I and my daughter things getting copyright. So you see, now she's saying bye bye to you people. Thank you very much for watching. We love you guys. Please subscribe for us.